Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices settled higher, supported by hopes for a trade deal between the United States and the European Union and new US sanctions to curb Iranian oil exports, which continued to elevate supply concerns. The S&P 500 ended higher, lifted by Eli Lilly and Apple, as investors weighed progress in US trade negotiations with Japan against concerns about the interest rate outlook. Traders leaned towards optimism following Trump's comments about big progress in the bilateral talks. The cryptocurrency market is still recycling old narratives, with few new trends yet to emerge and replace the dominant themes in the first quarter of 2025. AI tokens and meme coins were the dominant crypto narrative in the first quarter of 2025, accounting for 62.8% of investor interest.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Attention turns to the economic calendar as the upcoming days feature a series of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event carries the potential to influence market sentiment, guiding traders and investors' decision-making. With these events on the horizon, market participants should stay updated and flexible in their approach. The outcomes may shape trading conditions for days to come.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.